Next, let's talk about some of the main things that you need to know about jewelry wire. Jewelry wire is colored either by the metals it is made out of, or it has a permanent plating or coating. The silver, gray, and rose gold wire which I have here have a coating for the color. This means that the center of the wire is likely going to be a different color from the plating, and you will need to be somewhat careful to not expose the base metal. Solid copper and solid brass wire, like this here, are examples of wire that do not have a plating. These wire types get their color from the metals that they are made of. When talking about the gauge of wire, we are referring to the size or thickness of the wire. The gauge is marked by numbers. The smaller the number, the thicker the wire, while the larger the number, the thinner the wire. Here are 3 different gauges of wire. The largest is an 18 gauge, followed by a 20 gauge wire and a smaller 22 gauge. While the gauge will not change, the hardness or temper of wire is affected by the metal that the wire is made of. For example, this one is a silver-plated copper wire and is more pliable and easier to bend than this solid brass wire, even though they are the same gauge. And this is because copper is a softer metal than brass. So keep this in mind when choosing your wire. And to wrap it up, I want to mention that my favorite wire to work with is this solid brass wire in a 20 or an 18 gauge. It is a lovely gold color, is durable, and it is a great wire for beginners. I hope this can help you to get started with jewelry wire, and now I'll see you in the next video.